This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. This Chevrolet has a long list of incredible features including power windows, a dual-zone climate control system, XM satellite radio, a rear parking aid, side curtain airbags, and this vehicle has just over 51,000 miles. The durable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, is solid and dependable. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This truck won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.